Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's gonna be another hair video for you guys today. I have on a UPart wig. I have on a UPart wig right now. I'm definitely going to, first reaction, I definitely know that I'm gonna have to add some clips into the back because it's not staying in the back down as much as I wanted to. So I definitely know I'm gonna need some clips in the back. Other than that, I'm kind of loving this look. I'm kind of really loving how quick it was to install. One of my biggest things is getting ready. It takes me forever to do my hair and my face whenever we go out. Teddy is always waiting for me. So I love this. I can do it at night, set it at night, then put it on the next morning, and I don't have to worry about doing all that hoopla that day. And it's nice and thick. It's very soft. I did a style on it, as you will see. We're gonna be getting to this video. I love this UPart wig. It seems like it's gonna be really versatile. This is the first time of me using a UPart wig, or wearing a UPart wig, or even installing one or putting one on. So you guys are getting the first video of me ever doing this type of hairstyle. I'm liking it. I'm not mad at it. Okay. I love leave out, so if I can leave out my hairline, I'm good to go. I'm good to go here. I'm not mad at it. So right now I'm not mad at it. I definitely do know that, like I said, I definitely know that I'm gonna need some clips in the back. It's not as secure in the back as I would like it to be. Very secure up front. Very natural looking, very soft. But yeah, let's get in this tutorial. Let's get into it. You're gonna love that.
Let's start off with sectioning the hair for the cut. I went ahead and gave this UPart wig some layers. I just wanted to give it a little bit more dimension and some layers. If I'm not doing a crimpy wave, or if I'm not doing that curly wave, and I maybe want to do like a bumped look or maybe like a blowout look. So I went ahead and just cut in some layers, just trim this up a bit. Honestly guys, I normally do not cut my hair extensions, the extensions I put in my hair, or any of the weave that I put in my hair. I normally will just buy hair in different lengths. If I want a layered look, I just buy hair in different lengths. Like I'll buy a 10, a 14, a 12, and I will just put them in a different lengths. However, this is a UPart wig. You can't buy it in different lengths. It just came in one length. It did not come layered. I wanted to add a few layers in him. So I went ahead and added some layers in him. Oh, by the way, we named him Fabio. We like Fabio. We wore him out. He was fabulous. So as you see right here, I've already cut the bottom part of the hair. I went ahead and just cut that all even. I really didn't put too many layers in that. I'm really just sectioning off the top portion of this UPart wig just to add in some layers. Honestly, the bottom portion, I was just making it even because this UPart wig actually is supposed to be a middle part UPart wig. I like a side part. So we cut it to fit more of the side part. And of course, like I said, I love layers. So, layers and fit in the side part. We're getting it done. All right, I'm just gonna let you guys kind of watch what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of evening up the hair, making sure that everything is layered and gorgeous. I like to actually take sections and kind of pull the hair towards me. And then I find when I do that, it falls back down in more of like a round layer. If any of you guys out there know what the round layer is, it's gonna be more of a round shape to the haircut. All right, now that we've got the haircut, I'm gonna go ahead and section off the hair for curling. I like to section off my hair because I like to take semi-small sections when I am curling and styling hair. Even if it is on my head or not, that is what I like to do. I like to just take smaller sections and get that really nice defined curl. On this curl, I'm just curling them all in the back. I'm curling all of them the same direction. When I get to the sides of the head, I'm curling away from my face. I always curl away from my face because I like a wind-blown look. You get that kind of wind-blown Farrah Fawcett kind of look if you curl the curls away from your face. So that is what I do from the sides. On the back, I just do it usually all in one direction. Sometimes I will go opposite directions from section to section, depending on what kind of look I want. If I want it to be more of like a French wave kind of look, or if I want more of like a beachy wave kind of look. But we're just curling him today. We're just giving Fabio a nice curl. Nothing too fancy. Honestly, I think this day I just went out to the store, maybe got a drink with my husband. But Fabio did me good. Fabio did me good. And I like the fact that I can set him at night. I can wake up in the morning, throw him on, and pop on a couple lashes. Or even maybe my glasses if I'm feeling bummy. And he'll do you good. I'm telling you, he will do you good. Or she, whatever you want to name your hair. Hair has no gender. I just call him him because, you know, he's on my head. I'm a boy, so he's a him. I don't know what to tell you. He becomes a part of me! Oh my god, I'm just loving these curls though. This curling wand was like my favorite. Okay, so I've sectioned off my hair. As you can see, I've left some leave out on the sides, and I've left some leave out where the UPart wig is going to go. Now, right here, you see these bands? You are going to cut these bands. It comes with these bands. You're going to cut those away. Yeah, I don't need them. So I'm just cutting those away. And you can see that I have everything pulled back. I have it in two little French twists in the back. Bobby pinned it to two little tight French twists. I didn't braid it back this time. Right, and then you see the clips. I love these type of clips. You know, so the clips on the top were amazing. There wasn't a clip in the middle for that, but that's okay. Those clips on the side, they did okay, but this clip here in the back, we're getting rid of that clip. I got rid of that clip, and I sewed in a clip that was more similar to the clip in the front. That clip in the back, the original one that came with the UPart wig, was very, very unsecure. I had to also use the strips to tighten it as well. That wig was really big. And I have a pretty average to big size head. This wig is really big. Like, there were parts I'm like, oh my god, you're kind of saggy in some parts. I had to like put some new clips on there, tighten him up. So, but this was my first try in doing this. I'd never worn a UPart wig before. I didn't know if it was gonna look really wiggy. Honestly, it gave me very much a very, like, I had a sew-in type of look. It really did, and that's exactly what my husband said too. It really did look like I had a sew-in in my hair. And it was kind of everything, y'all. It was really kind of everything. Like this, like you can see me kind of struggling too because I really was trying to figure out the best way to put this on. Now I know, guys, start from the top, get those sides in, and then clip it into the back. I should have started from the top. Started from the top. See, you think you want to start from the bottom, now you here, but that ain't how the UPart wig be liking to do. I got tongue-tied. I get tongue-tied, y'all. Sometimes I don't even know what I be seeing. I just like to be hearing myself talk while you watching me do this little video, y'all. Let me stop. Okay, so I'm clipping the UPart wig as close to the part that I have left out as possible. And honestly, because this was my first time doing this, I didn't have enough leave out. Which I love about this wig is that I can pull more of my hair left out and it will look super, super natch. All right, so I'm getting him all clipped in. Honestly, you guys, another reason I love to change my hair up and not always do extensions, maybe do UPart wigs every once in a while, is to give my hair, you know, some rest sometimes. You don't want to do everything to your hair all the time. You know, I'm always having hair extensions in there. I'm always putting heat on it. Sometimes you want to give it some rest. Put a wig on there. Let your hair rest. Let it rest for a few weeks. See, I told you I'd be getting tongue-tied. I'd be getting tongue-tied, y'all. All right, so now that you got the wig on, you just want to take your flat iron and blend in that hair. It's gonna blend in so seamlessly, y'all. Now, if you don't know, my hair is relaxed. I like to relax my hair. That is my choice. I know the pros and cons. For me, my hair type, my lifestyle, relaxing is the best for me. Now, and I say this as I actually really more so relax my hair. I don't really put the relaxer on my hair to get my hair straight. My hair is straight because I flat iron it and I set it all the time at night. I'm always wearing a do-rag or a bonnet or something. So my hair's always pretty much in that kind of relaxed, straight texture. It just works for me. Sometimes I curl him, but normally he's more of like a straight Brazilian curl wave. Like, yeah, it's kind of money. Yeah. So get him flat iron, and you just want to blend the hairs in. You just want to comb and blend those hairs in. Oh my God. Oh, I love it. I love it, y'all. I love it. Yes, work. All right, I'm just gonna let y'all watch, cause he gonna be playing with it for a while. It's cute. What y'all think? Yes. All right, story time, y'all, story time. So I'm out and about with my UPart wig, living my life at the grocery store, and I see this woman, and, you know, I'm thinking that, you know, ooh, she's maybe admiring the UPart wig. Is she thinking that this is my hair? What's the tea? She comes over, she just looks at me straight in my eyes, and she says, "I hate you." Oh! I was like, wait, what? And she seemed so serious, y'all. Like, I thought that she was about to come at me like, uh-oh, I've been too gay for this woman. I'm doing too much fabulous stuff out here in these streets. In these streets of Frisco, you know, these hard streets of Frisco. She about to come for me. So, you know, I clenched my pearls. I didn't know what was going to happen. And she said, "I hate you. I hate how gorgeous your hair is." Oh, and child. My heart skipped a beat, y'all. My heart skipped a beat. Like, y'all don't be knowing, like, these Karens, you never know where they could be coming from. Are they gonna be nice? Are they not? I was like, "Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it." And she was like, "I just love your hair." And I had to tell her it isn't all his. And she was like, "What? But it blends so seamlessly." See, that's the thing, y'all. Get hair that blends seamlessly with yours. I always find hair that matches my texture and also matches the color of my hair. I'm actually very fortunate too, because the natural color of my hair is more of a natural brown, which most unprocessed hair comes in that color. So I kind of luck out on that. I don't normally have to worry too much about the color. And like I say, I relax, so that helps it to blend in. I love that. Bro, I just having dancing parties. I love me a side part, y'all. I love me a side part. But yeah, So get y'all a UPart wig so y'all could go out and everybody will be literally hating you. Like I literally had a hater tell me they hate me, look me in my eyes, and told me that she hate me. That's some real haterade right there, y'all. I mean, that's some real hater. But anyways, that's how he goes from this to this. Yes, queen, yes.